We got the all-session stock open for Boeing on this Tuesday morning on the IG platform, and there is another leg lower. Let's take a look at the share price chart, which saw a big decline yesterday, and in fact the stock fell 8% in its cash session on Monday, the biggest one-time drop on a day since October 2022. This coming after a section of the fuselage fell from an Alaska Airlines 737 MAX on Friday, and reports are coming in overnight from United Airlines of bolts in need of additional tightening, and Alaska Airlines says similarly that it's going through its fleet and it's finding some loose bolting. Now, this is coming through from reports overnight. Other reports coming through from the Federal Aviation Administration, which regulates air travel in the US, suggesting it's grounded 171 planes of the same type. So we've got a lower open today, all sessions on the IG platform for Boeing stock. Meanwhile, Ryanair says that it will be short of possibly up to 5 planes this summer because of issues relating to Boeing delays. Michael O'Leary tells the FT that it will likely force the airline to revive down its traffic growth. And in amongst other airline news out this morning, a record high for the stock of Airbus, nearing an order from Delta Airlines, according to reports, for dozens of wide-body jets, including extra A350-1000 aircraft. And depending on last-minute negotiations, the deal could be made public as early as Friday, according to reports across the newswires on this early Tuesday morning. So record high for the stock of Airbus as Boeing sinks.